In this video, I am going to talk about another 7 best free certification courses to become data analyst, and all of these courses are offered by LinkedIn Learning. So this course will help you to learn the technical skills for data analyst and career paths, and you'll be able to develop your competencies in high demand analysis tools, and you'll be able to build communication, teamwork and problem solving skill from these 7 courses. Now let's see what are these 7 free courses that you can do here. The first course is Learning Data Analytics. The duration of this course is 1 hour 39 minutes. The second course is Data Fluency, Exploring and Describing Data. Its duration is 4 hour 19 minutes. Third course is Excel Statistics Essential Training 1. Its duration is 3 hour 37 minutes. Next course is Learning Excel Data Analysis. Its duration is 2 hour 9 minutes. Next one is Learning Data Visualization, 3 hour 50 minute course. Then Power BI Essential Training. It is 3 hour 20 minute course. And next one is the last one, Tableau Essential Training 2021. Its duration is 4 hour 40 minutes. And after completing all of these courses, you'll earn your free certificate of completion from here. Now I'm going to show you how to enroll or how to complete and how to achieve your certificate from these courses. Now let's see. So to enroll these courses, at the very first you need to copy the link of this free course from my video description. When you copy the link, then the next task you need to do is to log in your LinkedIn account like mine. Okay, so when you log in your LinkedIn account, then you just need to paste the link that you copied in the another tab. Then here you will get the interface like this way. So when you paste the link in another tab, then you will get the interface almost like this way. Okay, so when you get here, then you are done to enroll these free courses. So okay, now and here you can see the 7 courses all over here appear. So after completing this course, then you can earn your free certificate. And here you can see they just written here, when you are done you will have earned a certificate of completion. Okay, so for example, if you want, you can complete one by one all of the 7 courses, but if you think you can enroll any courses, now I'm showing you how to enroll these courses. So to enroll any courses, you just need to simply click the name of the courses. When you click the name of the courses, then here you will get the course in this way. So now here you can see the course tab is open here before me. Now I can just simply complete these courses. Just simply click here. Then in this way you can complete the whole courses one by one. So you just need to simply click the topic name, then your class will be starting here automatically, and you can learn from this. So in this way you can complete all of this chapter from there. Okay, now I'm showing you how to achieve your certificate after completing these courses. Okay, whenever you select any individual or specific course, then you just need to simply complete or learn from this course. Thereafter here you can see that the certificates option, you just need to simply click here, show all. When you click here show all, then here you will be able to find or download your certificate from there. As I did not complete this course, that's the reason I don't have the options to download from here. So when I complete these courses and if I pass in the quiz, then I will be able to download my certificate from there. So to get your certificate, at the very first you just need to simply click here start exam. So when you click here start exam, then they will give you multiple choice questions and you just need to simply pass in this exam. So when you pass in this exam, then you'll be able to achieve your certificate. Okay, here you can see here in total there will have 18 questions in the first course, because there are 7 courses. So in the first course there are 18 questions. So if you pass here in this 18 quiz, then you'll be able to download your certificate. So after completing this quiz, then again you should go back there, and if you click here certificate options, then you will be able to find download options and you can download your certificate from there. So it is just a first course. So in this way you can complete the rest of the courses, second one, third one, fourth one, and from each of the courses you'll be able to achieve your 2 or 3 certificates. So I think you will get a lot of certificate with your recognition of a skill. So I think use this opportunity to become data analyst. Thank you.